At ScotBio, we don't simply produce ingredients. We're developing an entirely new infrastructure for global food systems. Here in Livingston in Scotland, we have the world's best photobioreactor modular system, meaning that we can produce clean label products. We can regulate and reduce synthetic dye materials from petrochemicals. Our modular photobioreactor system and the platform that we run here using a particular array of red light wavelengths means that we are more carbon sensitive, more sustainable, and have a better supply loop than any field crop or raceway pond can deliver. The major food producers can plug in their waste electricity and waste CO2 to produce high-value products like spirulina and natural food colorants. Those petrochemical dyes are now what is clear are causing behavioural issues and worrying parents for the development of their children. The benefit of what we do here is that we're lowering energy costs, consuming CO2 and producing a high-value protein, high-value colorants and non-petrochemical synthetic food dyes. Going through our downstream process means that we can express a world-class, non-artificial, non-petrochemical, completely natural food dye. Blue being the hardest colour in nature to replicate. That blue allows major food producers internationally to use our Supablu HS1 in ingredients from baking, ice cream, yogurts, syrups, candies, donuts, confectionery. Blue is the rarest colour in nature, particularly in food. The production of viable food dyes that are blue has been problematic for centuries. That's why today most of our blue use is petrochemical or coal tar derived. Consumers don't want to consume petrochemical synthetic food dye any longer. Today's natural blues break down under stress, so baking, pH stability has always been a major concern until now. Here at ScotBio, through natural formulation, natural clean label ingredients, we've perfected a Supablu HS1 that you can put in any number of baked goods or syrups, confections and so on, allowing you to trust a food that is coloured naturally. In fact, nearly 40% of US food production is reliant on synthetic petrochemical dyes. We solve that problem at source. So ScotBio has a world-class blue natural food colorant. We have a decolorized protein and we have whole raw spirulina. For investors, the upside is very clear. We have multiple revenue streams, protected IP and already validated by a number of different industries. Whether it's candy, dairy, yogurts, ice cream, confectionery, we have a solution that demonstrably helps those food producers deliver their goals. The market for natural colorants, for plant proteins and for functional foods is worth tens of billions. And ScotBio sits at the intersection of all three. At ScotBio, we're rethinking food miles. Our food can be produced locally, consuming manufacturers' own CO2 and waste electricity. This means that food can be produced at source, 0 food miles, allowing for supply chain constraints to be removed and for everyone to profit from a better world. Welcome to ScotBio. It is not just about the returns, it's about being part of the story, delivering food systems that are better, smarter and cleaner for the planet.